Laptops are getting faster and hotter. We tested the top cooling pads of 2025, from smart airflow systems to turbocharged beasts, to find out which ones actually keep your machine cool under pressure. Whether you're gaming, editing, or just hate fan noise, these picks are built to chill your setup and save your performance. Razer Laptop Cooling Pad. Smart, stylish, and powerful. This one's built for serious gamers and power users. It uses an airtight pressure chamber to push cool air directly into your laptop's vents. No wasted airflow. The fan speed is intelligently controlled via Razer Synapse software, where you can set custom fan curves or let it auto-adjust. It fits laptops from 14 inches to 18 inches, adds 3 USB Type-A ports, and lights up with customizable chroma RGB. Want smart cooling with full control and premium build? Check the specs and grab this if you're running hot. GT600 RGB Laptop Cooling Pad. Turbo cooling for big rigs. This pad is all about brute force. It's got a massive 5.5-inch turbofan that pulls air through sealed foam edges, creating a vacuum-like effect that cools fast. Designed for laptops up to 19.3 inches, it includes a dust filter, RGB lighting, and a 3-port USB hub. It's loud, but it works. Got a gaming laptop that runs hot? This pad's built to chill it down. Check the link and see if it fits your setup. HAVIT HV F2071, budget-friendly with 6 fans. This one's a multitasker. It packs 6 cooling fans and 6 adjustable height levels, making it great for 13 to 17-inch laptops. It's lightweight, ergonomic, and includes 2 USB ports for pass-through. The fans are quiet, and the airflow is solid for everyday use. Need reliable cooling without spending big? This HAVIT pad is a solid pick. Check the price and reviews. Llano Gaming Laptop Cooler. Touch-controlled and feature-packed. This pad combines power and convenience. It's got a 5.5-inch external fan with adjustable speed, touch controls, and a foam seal to direct airflow. It supports laptops up to 21 inches, includes a mouse pad, and has a 3-port USB hub. It's sleek, responsive, and built for gamers and creators. Want a cooler that's powerful, portable, and easy to use? Tap the link and see if Llano fits your workflow. KLIM Tempest, vacuum fan with smart detection. This one's a bit different. It uses a vacuum-style fan that attaches to your laptop's exhaust port and pulls hot air out at up to 4,000 RPM. It features temperature detection, auto-manual modes, and a digital display for real-time control. It's portable and works well as an add-on to other cooling pads. Need precision cooling with smart automation? The KLIM Tempest is built for high-performance setups. Check the specs and compatibility. From budget-friendly multi-fan setups to smart pads with custom fan curves, these cooling pads brought the airflow, control, and comfort we were looking for. We tested them across real laptops and real workloads. Hit the links in the description to check specs and deals, and subscribe for more gear that actually earns its spot.